Man is beaten to death. Now the case has set off a turf war, but it's not between local gangs. Investigators have accused the hospital of hindering the investigation. Now we want to know who's right and who's wrong. Eyewitness News reporter Alex DePrado joins us live from outside the Providence Public Safety Complex with more.
Karen, Providence police say they needed to investigate this case quickly and be provided information on Anthony Perry's injuries from Rhode Island Hospital. But the hospital, and our legal analyst says, under state and federal law, that can't be done without going to a judge first. Well, 54-year-old Anthony Perry hung on to life at Rhode Island Hospital. After a beating here on Elmwood Avenue, Providence police say they tried to get information on his injuries, but the hospital staff would only say he was in critical condition. Police found out he died from the medical examiner on Monday and say the lack of cooperation stymied their investigation.
The hospital stymied nothing.
Eyewitness News' legal analyst Lou Polner says the law only requires hospitals to report shooting and child abuse victims to police. In all other cases, they must get a subpoena.
Providence police wanted what they wanted when they wanted it, and that's not always the way it works.
In front of 319 Elmwood Avenue, Perry was found here on the sidewalk, face down, unconscious, and bleeding. In a statement, Rhode Island Hospital says, quote, "It's important to understand the Rhode Island healthcare confidentiality law is more restrictive than federal HIPAA privacy laws on what information we can or cannot release to law enforcement, and that is what we must follow." Now that Perry's death is a murder investigation, police say they're looking at surveillance video from cameras mounted on a nearby building, hoping it brings his killer to justice. Perry's wallet and his money were in his hand when he was found there on the sidewalk. An autopsy is scheduled for tomorrow afternoon. Live tonight with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, I'm Alex DePrado, Eyewitness News.